Let's talk budgets. So many people get intimidated by the word budget. Usually, that is because they think of a budget as an elaborate undertaking that requires 3 years of calculus, 2 years of algebra, and 4 years of accounting, or something like that. A budget is a tool. It is a roadmap that provides guidance for our money. It helps us plan how to manage our money. A budget does not have to be elaborate. You do not have to create a budget or the budget of a lifetime. You can make more than one budget for various goals. You can make a simple budget to help you save for a particular item. You can make one for everyday living. And if you practice this one enough, you don't even have to think about it. It becomes second nature. If you've been following me for a while, you know that my motto is anything is possible with a plan. A budget makes that anything possible. You simply need to determine your goals and structure your money to get to those goals. A budget does that. It gives you that structure, that roadmap, that guidance, that plan to get to your goal or goals. So, however you want to structure that goal, it is on you. It can be elaborate or it can be simple. Just make it fit you. Keep in mind that the end goal of your budget is for you to make the most of your money. For more information on budgets, please click the thumbnail right up here.